Today we're gonna do an apple crumble cinnamon cake. We will start with the crumbles. For the crumbles you need 180 grams of flour, 60 grams of white and 60 grams of brown sugar, 1 pack of vanilla sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a little bit of salt, and 115 grams of butter. At first add the vanilla sugar, the cinnamon and the salt to the flour, then add the brown and the white sugar. Add then the melted butter and knead the dough by your hand. At the end, knead it into crumbles. To support making crumbles, you can add some more flour. For the dough you need 120 grams of flour, 100 grams of sugar, 120 grams of sour cream and 70 grams of soft butter, 1 pack of baking powder, 1 pack of vanilla sugar and 1 egg. At first mix the butter with the white, brown and vanilla sugar. Stir it until combined and add the egg. Add then the sour cream, and at last sift the flour with the baking powder into the dough. Mix all well and put the dough aside. Now prepare the apples. For that you need a tablespoon of brown sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a tablespoon of white sugar, and 2 apples. Peel the apples and cut them into small pieces. Put the apples then into the sugar-cinnamon mixture. Stir it until combined. Then take the dough, the apples and the crumbles. At first put a little bit of the dough as a bottom into the baking tin. Then add a little bit of the apples, as well as a little bit of the crumbles. Then repeat the process one more time. Add the rest of the dough, the rest of the apples and the rest of the crumbles. Put the cake then into the oven at 180 degrees for about 20 to 30 minutes. Take it out of the oven, let it cool down and decorate it with some icing sugar and some cinnamon.